Good morning, YouTube. My allergies are kicking up a little today, but I'm on vacation. And I've been working on this 1953 truck. And I left the key on. And I don't know if I cooked my coil or my points. So we're going to be doing a little work on this today, trying to get it running because I don't like not having it running. So I'm going to look into this, take the stuff off of there and see what we can do. Hopefully we can get it running today. I'll give you a better look around the truck. Let me get the phone here, or camera. Okay. My 1953 truck. I made the bed. Just installed the gas tank. I made that whole bed. I bought the fenders. Oh, a little close. Oh. I gotta pull that off of there. Pull the points out. See if I can't get it running. But all right, let me get set up here. Okay, I'm gonna pull this coil out of here first, I think. Oh, let's get the right wrench. And I'm gonna have to go to YouTube to, I think there's a way to test these, so I'm gonna go to YouTube and test it. Yeah, I left the key on and I don't know if I cooked something here, but we're gonna get it fixed today. I need this thing running. I like to drive into town to go get some groceries. This just gives me an excuse to take the CRF 300 down to the auto parts store. Little ride today. I've been working on my barn there for last couple of days. A little hard work. We'll be moving into a new garage one of these days, but okay. That ain't too hard, is it? Yeah, this is the original motor. It was locked up when I bought it. I'll have to get a couple other pictures in here, videos of when I got it going. I think there's a few of them on my channel to begin with, so I guess I can check this. So I'm going to have to check that, get my tester out. Then I'm going to also replace the points. Doesn't look bad. Pull that off. We need to clean that up a little bit. I think I'm going to go electronics eventually, but till then, let me get a longer screwdriver. Yeah, I like to get some of them electronic coil thing on here. Replace these points or electronic points, or I don't even know if that's what it's called. Oh my, the whole thing is loose. That could have been some of my problems. Oh, more tools. Alright. There's that. I don't know how a set of points could have went bad. Let me okay. All right. I got my coil out, my points out. I'm gonna go test this. Well, first I gotta watch a couple YouTubes. And then I'll probably go get some new parts. Take off on my CRF 300. Get a little ride in today. It's a little warmish. All right, I'm off to Sunbury to grab some parts. I'm going to take the CR up. We're going to have a good ride. Let me get ready. All right, see you when I get back. All right, we are back. We got the parts. Let's get back on it. Ran down to Napa. Got my new parts. I think I got to cut that off a little bit. Hate that when that happens. Oh, this is a pain. Trying to get to set my points. Now what? Now, I'm on the low side. Oh, right there. Okay. Well, we gotta put this on. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Well, the fuel coming out of the carburetor acts like it wants to fire. It ain't wanting to fire. Okay. Cleaned all the spark plugs. I think I got everything back together. We're going to give her a shot again. Let's see how it goes. Right. I'm gonna pull things out into the sun, maybe get them washed today, get them cleaned up. Doesn't sound very good. Yeah, I think I got, too much choke on it. Okay. Take some of the choke off. think my timing might be off. Might try to adjust that again. Alright, well, I'm going to adjust my timing. I'm going to pull this thing outside. Oh, this is finished up on what we did earlier. Got the coil in, got the new points in, got them all adjusted. Finally got it to run. I think I had to clean all my plugs, then got it to run. Now we're going for Taco Tuesday. But I got to get some brake fluid. I'm working on a VW Bug. Gotta get some of that, and yeah, this is the first time this has been driven in a year, so
6 months.
So we'll be doing good. Hopefully we make it there and get some gas and make it back home. So whew, that was a little bit more than I wanted to do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll have a little more on my 53 truck later. Thanks. Bye.